Hey guys, withdrawing money from Skrill to your bank account is smoother and faster than ever, but you still need to follow the right steps to avoid delays or extra fees. Here's your full walkthrough. Start by logging into your Skrill account and heading to the withdraw section from the left menu. Choose bank account as your withdrawal method. If you haven't linked your bank yet, Skrill will ask for your IBAN or local bank details. Confirm it once, and it stays saved permanently. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Skrill automatically displays the withdrawal fee, usually a fixed fee depending on your region, and the estimated arrival time. Most withdrawals take 1 to 2 business days, though some countries support near instant withdrawals. Before confirming, double check that your bank name and account number are correct. One small mistake can delay your withdrawal or cause it to bounce back. Tap confirm and Skrill will process that transfer. You will get both an email notification and an in-app message once it's completed. Pro tip, withdraw using your local currency bank account. It avoids unnecessary conversion fees and speeds up processing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.